Hey Jesse, I spoke with Carrie earlier. My name is Scott Walker from Impact Latent SEO, and I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in business using your website and your Google business profile. I would appreciate to hear your feedback about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you as well. So here's your website right here. I do like that you have the request service and the call to act up here, and it actually clicks to be able to call. I really like your logo here with the fishing rod in it as well. But one thing that I do recommend for you, my biggest recommendation is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to have keywords, which are things that you would be found for in Google searches, like sewer and drain cleaning, and then Pocatello. I mean, you want to have your service and also a location. Those are called buyer intent keywords. Another thing that you could do is, like Reeltek sewer and drain cleaning Pocatello. Instead of having it like that, you could have a buyer intent keyword like plumbing Pocatello, and that could be saved as content as well for all your videos and pictures. I did go ahead and throw your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs. This will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. The UR and the DR is the strength and trust of Google for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want to try and keep them balanced and continuously moving up. You currently have no data because you don't have any backlinks in referring domains. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. And some backlinks are very spammy, and then there are more authoritative ones. The way to stay with, I do recommend trying to get the authoritative ones by staying relevant to your industry and also your location. You are getting you're being indexed for 2 keywords on your website, and you're also getting, this is on a third-party tool, so it's not 100% accurate, but you're getting little to no traffic to your website. And pretty much that means your website is acting more as a digital business card as opposed to a online lead generating tool that could produce an ROI for you. And so, looking at doing a Google search plumbing Pocatello, you usually get your Google guaranteed services up top, and then it doesn't look like anyone's doing, but there are usually local ads right here as well. And that's a great way to generate business quickly for you. But getting into the Google business profile or the Google map pack is really where you want to be. It does generate quite a bit of traffic to your website because you could just click on the website or give a call right from here. And it's no problem that you're not here. There are so many ways to move up in ranking. The first thing you could always do is constantly be adding reviews. You want to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And then also a big recommendation is to post branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly because that shows Google that you're growing your business organically. And then adding citations, which is your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp helps a lot because Google is like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and that will boost your business. And that's not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. And being up in the Google business profile will generate about 30 to 40% of your website, or 40% of your traffic to your website, because they'll be able to, click on this button or give you a call right from here. Which leaves us with the organics, which is, these top 2 are going to be directories for you. This is a national company, so I want to kind of show you one of your local competitors right here. But B&G Plumbing right here, this is their website. It is nice looking, it's very professional looking, but once again, they do not have very much content on their website either. So once you start having more content with better locational keywords, and then getting those authoritative backlinks and citations, you're going to start outranking these guys. And just to kind of give you an example, I just looked up Pocatello Plumbing. There's 450 searches just for Plumbers Pocatello, and if you look here, it's very similar, but Plumber Pocatello, another 450 searches. And as you can see, that right there is over 1,000 people looking for a plumber in Pocatello. So once you start to outrank your competitors, a certain percentage of this volume is going to start going to your website instead of theirs. And once they're on your website, a percentage of them are going to be giving you a call, and depending on your closing rate, they'll start to become a customer for you. So I definitely hope that this video was helpful. I again would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I do appreciate your time, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.